Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, we're gonna navigate into the settings. There we go. And we're looking for device care, storage. Once it loads it up, you can see we have two dots, so you want to swipe to the left and this will then show you our SD card, which will be labeled as such. Next you can click on the three dots and select format. It gives you a quick message asking if you want to format the card. Everything on the card will be erased. Obviously, if you keep anything on your card that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it to some other device like your computer as an example. Once you have done so, you can then select format in here. It will begin formatting. It does remove the card from being visible for a brief moment while it's doing so, and after it's finished, as you can see, it will reappear once more, formatted and ready to be used. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.